With so many options out there when it comes to auxiliary lighting, where do you start? If you want a high-quality lighting system that not only fits right, but looks and performs great too, look no further than Clearwater Lights. Clearwater offers a full line of high-powered, fully dimmable LED lights that can be purchased as universal kits or for vehicle-specific applications. Why choose our lights over the rest? Clearwater Lights are built right here in the US using high-quality components and our proprietary digital control circuits. Clearwater Lights provide a higher lumen output and longer life expectancy with less power consumption than other lighting systems can. With multiple lens diffusers and LED configurations, Clearwater Lights can be used as fog lights, off-road lights, driving lights, daytime running lights, work lights, and you can even use them on your boat. To survive the rough and tumble environment of the trails, our housings are cast from A380 aluminum. We chose this alloy based on its thermal properties and exceptional dimensional stability. Each light goes through a unique proprietary CNC machining and finishing process that involves 2 CNC machining cycles, a powder coating process, and an electrostatic paint process before it's engraved with our logo. We offer a variety of LED lighting options for use on everything from cars, trucks, and SUVs to motorcycles, ATVs, and side-by-sides. With lighting options from our compact Darla to the over-the-top output of our Dixie lights, we have an LED to fill your lighting void. We've made the installation as pain-free as possible with our self-contained wiring harness. Our harness incorporates a pair of weather-tight lighting leads, dimmer connector, a standalone relay, and power leads. We didn't stop there though. In addition to the switched power leads to control your lights with a normal switch, we provide 2 additional trigger wires that allow you to activate the Clearwater Lights using your vehicle's high beam light switch, or you can trigger them at the same time as the horn for the ultimate attention getter. And to make your next installation just a little easier, we carry a variety of mounting brackets, dimmer controls, and harness extensions. Don't forget to protect your investment with a pair of protective lens covers. Choose from our clear polycarbonate lens covers, which feature a special scratch-resistant coating on both sides, or pick the yellow acrylic lenses for that fog light effect. Lens covers simply slide over the Clearwater housings for a quick and easy install. Whether it's to enhance the driving experience of your daily driver, increase safety and visibility while cruising, or you need to improve off-road vision while navigating unpredictable terrain, Clearwater has a lighting option for you. To see our complete line of LED lights and lighting accessories, visit our product page at clearwaterlights.com.